Nature and significance of management. This document provides a concise summary of the nature and significance of management within organizations. It outlines the definition of management, its characteristics, and its critical role in achieving organizational goals. Additionally, it discusses the dual nature of management as both an art and a science, and its importance in fostering efficiency and effectiveness in various organizational contexts. What is management? Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources, people, finances, materials, and information, to achieve organizational goals effectively and efficiently. Effectiveness, doing the right task, completing activities, and achieving goals. Efficiency, doing the task correctly, using minimum resources, and minimizing costs. Nature of management. Management is a complex and dynamic process characterized by the following features. Goal-oriented, focuses on achieving predetermined objectives. Pervasive, applicable to all types of organizations, at all levels. Continuous, an ongoing process involving a series of functions. Multidimensional, involves managing work, people, and operations. Dynamic, adapts to changes in the environment. Intangible, cannot be physically seen but its effects are visible. Art and science, combines theoretical knowledge with practical application, skill, and creativity. Significance of management. Effective management is crucial for the success and survival of any organization. It helps achieve goals, provides direction and coordination, increases efficiency, optimizes resource utilization and reduces waste, creates a dynamic organization, facilitates adaptation to change, helps achieve personal objectives, integrates individual goals with organizational goals, develops society, contributes to economic growth, job creation, and improved living standards. Management as an art, science, or profession. Management as an art involves personal skills, creativity, and practical application of knowledge. Management as a science has a systematic body of knowledge, principles, and techniques. Management as a profession exhibits characteristics of a profession like specialized knowledge, code of conduct, and service motive, though not fully meeting all criteria. Key concepts to remember: effectiveness versus efficiency. Functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Characteristics of management. Importance of management. Management as art, science, and profession. This summary encapsulates the essential elements of management, emphasizing its importance in achieving organizational success and adapting to the ever-changing business environment.